Today we are going to take a quick look and a quick install of this garage light. It says it's easy as screwing in a light bulb, so let's find out. So let's go into the garage and see why do we need one of these lights. And I do have a light that comes on because of motion, so let's turn that off. And so you can see, if I just turn on our overhead lights, it is not very bright in here, okay? So we're going to install this light right here in this socket. Let's open this up, see what we get. Instructions. Little cap over the light itself. And here is the light. This is the way it looks. Looks like there's LEDs on the bottom. And then you have these fins that fold down to make the light, just like that. It has a standard screw-in bulb size for a regular socket, so let's put it up. Wow, that is super bright. Let's turn off the light and turn this light off. And now let's turn it back on. That makes a huge difference. Wow. So that is the, whoa, let me turn this off. That's the way it looks once it's installed, and you can adjust these. You can bend them down, and each one of these little fins can be adjusted too. So that's really slick. That's a cool setup. And there we go. Very nice. I really like this light.